Good morning everyone! It's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. Today is the 4th day of Chinese New Year. Finally done all the important visiting. Now it's time for traveling. We're gonna visit some place of interest in Kuala Lumpur. And today we are heading to Upside Down House and KL Tower. And the whole family is going! And of course, I'm not the driver. My dad is driving. Yay! The Upside Down House and the KL Tower are just located to each other. They are both located on Bukit Nanas, which means Pineapple Hill, also known as Well Hill during the colonial era. The entrance to the hill is just off Jalan P. Ramlee, which named after a notable Malaysian actor and musician. So now we have arrived at Bukit Nanas, the destination for two land spots, the Upside Down House and KL Tower. So behind of me, this is the KL Tower. Used to be the tallest building in Malaysia. It was built in the year of 1991 and complete in the year of 1994. Officially opened in the year of 1997. The whole project was overseen by then Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. The height is around 421 meters. We will climb up there later. Before that, we will go into a Upside Down House. So this is the place, the Upside Down House that we can visit. Outside here, there's a KL Tower sign. It's a good place for so this is it, the Upside Down House. We're getting in and we have to buy ticket. Let's see how much is ticket price. Adult price is 19 ringgit, children is 14 ringgit, for tourists is 24 ringgit for adult and 19 ringgit for children. So the man is actually very generous. Elaine and Jason, they don't have my card, which means Malaysia identity card. So technically they have to pay the foreigners price, the tourist price. But the guy just say, never mind, I charge everyone with Malaysian price. Nice! By the way, it's actually very common in Malaysia. You visit places of interest, they charge different prices between local and tourists. So just take note, they have a break time between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So their operating hours is from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday will be 10 a.m. to later 9:30 p.m. So now let's go in. Before we go in, we found this is not Giant, not BMC. TV upside down. How to watch TV like that? Oh, so we are officially walking in the Upside Down House now. Now let's go in. It's the kitchen. Upside down kitchen. So we spent roughly half an hour. It's just around 5 rooms and 1 basement. Very small place. To do some funny photo. Yeah, I would say interesting place. It's a good place for you to visit. This is the outside of the house. See, upside down, everything's upside down. Yeah, and then there's a little garden at the back. If you're interested, you can walk. And like what I say, it's just next to a KL Tower. So this is the KL Tower. So this is it. The KL Tower, 421 meters tall, used to be one of the tallest tower in Malaysia.
Wow, look! So tall!
So this is the first time I actually visited KL Tower since it was built. As a Malaysian and especially grew up in Kuala Lumpur, for me never visit this landmark. So I was thinking, if I come back to Kuala Lumpur again, I would definitely wanted to visit this place, climb all the way up there, have a look, as I really want to see the whole view of the Kuala Lumpur. So now we are at the bottom of the tower, we are heading in. So let me see the price. Observation deck is adult 30 bucks for local, 20 bucks for kids. And for tourists, $60.
Oh my God!
$60 for adult. Children is $40. So now we have arrived at the observation deck of KL Tower. We're gonna see the view of whole KL. Oh my god! Wow! Look at that. So the one there is a National Mosque of Malaysia. In front of the National Mosque Malaysia is the post office headquarters of Malaysia. You can see how developed is Malaysia now. I think this is St. John Institute. 这间学校叫 St. John Institute, if I'm not mistaken. You like it? Yeah. And there's some mountains range. Yes, I believe it's the TT Wangsa mountain range. So in between the mountain range, there's another landmark of Malaysia, the Genting Highland. You can tell from here, in this direction, you can see to Genting Highland. So this is the first time I came all the way up here. To be honest, I know Kuala Lumpur has been developed a lot. If I didn't come all the way up here, I didn't even know that it's actually developed so much. You can see a lot of tall towers, tall accommodations have been developed so far. So the observation deck is actually not the tallest point of the tower. We didn't make it to the top because it's too expensive. So we only do like roughly halfway. The whole tower is 421, includes the antenna. The tower is actually built for telecommunication. While I was enjoying the stunning view on the sky deck, I discovered a wall behind me show a list of the ranking of the tall towers around the world. And the height for this Menara KL Tower is 421 meters. It shows this Menara KL Tower is listed in between Milad Tower of Iran with the height of 435 meters and the Tianjin TV Tower in China with the 415.2 meters height. Next to the wall of the list of the high towers in the world, there's a cabinet full of awards, trophies and souvenirs. This glass cabinet is known as Wall of Fame. So this Menara KL Tower used to be the tallest tower in the whole Malaysia, and it was until the year of 1996 after the completion of the Petronas Twin Tower, and then Twin Tower has become the tallest building in Malaysia until the year of 2024 and being took over by another tower. So the tower there known as the Exchange 106 is the 19th tallest building in the world. It is around 453.6 meters height, and it was built in the year of 2016 and completed in the year of 2019. Although it is so tall, but it is not the tallest in Malaysia. I will show you another building which is tallest in Malaysia. So this building is known as Merdeka 118. It's the second tallest building in the world. Tallest building in Malaysia. It is currently still building, not completed yet. So the height of the tower is around 678.9 meters tall. So it's very, very tall. The location of the building is actually located on another historical area, which is next to Stadium Merdeka. Stadium Merdeka is where our first Prime Minister of Malaysia, Tunku Abdul Rahman, declared Malaysia independent from the colony of British. So like what I mentioned earlier, there's a fees to be charged to come all the way up here. Of course, it's a common thing for all the observation deck on all the sky tower in the world. I would say for Malaysian, it's actually quite pricey to see something so stunning and amazing. I would say worth it. And my friend actually came here before and they recommend it's even better to come in the night so you can see the whole city actually full with night lights. And it's another type of experience to see the whole KL city in the night. So after a bit of touring on the sky deck, we are going down now.
Meanwhile,
I saw this sign and I realized no one cared. This is the experience of going up to the Menara Tower. And today we did two places. The upside down house and the Menara KL Tower. These two place location is actually located just next to each other, so it's convenient for you to do two places together if you're interested and you happen to come and visit Kuala Lumpur, or even you are local, you've never been to these two places. I will say it's worth to try to come here and enjoy your day trip. Anyway, that's it for this episode. We're going for lunch now, and I will see you on my next adventure.
wow, eh?
Anyway, I will see you on my next adventure. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Hurts? Come. Painful?
How are we doing it?
Yeah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, too painful. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe my channel, and share it to everyone. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for me.